Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. I meant to post a video update yesterday, but I unfortunately didn't get around to it, so I apologize for that. However, I've been getting a lot of questions from people who are asking me, Miss, when do I turn things in? So I told some people Friday, but Friday was yesterday and I still did not get people turning things in. So as long as you turn it in by midnight on Sunday, so I get it before Monday, then you will be fine. If you're wondering about how to turn it in, make sure you can submit it to Dropbox through StudentVue, or else you can email it to me. Right, keep asking questions, keep emailing me, keep texting me, keep all these things, because I'm checking and I'm answering them as soon as possible. If you are wondering how you can submit it to me, if you can't submit it through StudentVue, I put directions in the description below. Short story, you're going to have to email it through your school email or through your personal. I prefer school email, so those that are sending it to me through personal, that's perfectly fine for right now. But sometimes it doesn't let it through to my inbox because it says, warning, this might be a scam. So make sure you're using a personal email so I make sure to get everything. All right? Have a lovely weekend, everybody. See you guys later.